I'm not sure if you can tell how proud of myself I am, but I am very, very proud of myself. Next, put that toolbox there. And I might put the compressor in the corner there, keep it out of the way. Okay. Oh, that is so easy. I cannot believe I've been using these, or these, for so long to cut cables when for 30 bucks, holy crap. Now, I can measure, but I am lazy, you know that. So, I'm going to find the center. If you just pick anywhere and then bring your hands together, you will find the center. It may not be the center, but it's the center of mass. So that's where I'm going to put the first bracket. Now let's sit back and stare.
This tension is rising, so thick we just might choke.
I still need to find my nails because I want to put a nail in up here so I can put this cord up behind the nail so it's out of the way. And I've got no idea where I put the nails. None. I've looked, and I've looked. They're in a little container. There's lots of them. Anyway, so proud of myself. That's enough for now. I'm gonna have breakfast.